Namaskar. Today we'll discuss about the proper maintenance of digital devices. In the current digital age, smartphones, tablets, laptops and desktops have become an integral part of our lives. Regular maintenance of these devices is very important to prevent malfunctioning and to keep them functioning. Now, let us know some important practices for proper maintenance of digital devices. Wipe your device screens, keyboards, mouse, etc. with a soft cloth to remove dust and fingerprints. Always log out or lock your computer when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. Be careful when handling your laptop or mobile during travel, study, or work to prevent accidental drops or damage. Following these steps help maintain the efficiency, security, and cleanliness of digital devices. Thank you.